Hey there, apartment investors. Today I'm diving into a game changer for your investments, proactive maintenance. Trust me, this is the secret sauce that preserves property value, minimizes expenses, and keeps your tenants happy. First off, preserving property value. Regular maintenance keeps your property in tip-top shape, preventing deterioration and ensuring your investment holds its marketability. Well-maintained properties command higher rents and attract quality tenants. Next up, minimizing costly repairs. By tackling small issues early, you avoid those sudden wallet-draining emergencies. Routine maintenance on systems like HVAC and plumbing saves you from those nasty surprises. Tenant satisfaction is another biggie. Tenants love a property where maintenance requests are handled promptly. Keeping common areas and in-unit systems in good shape boosts tenant retention and reduces vacancies. Proactive maintenance comes with a host of benefits. Reduced downtime, for one. Routine servicing of critical systems prevents unexpected failures, ensuring your tenants stay comfortable. Not to mention increased marketability. A well-maintained property is like a magnet for prospective tenants, allowing you to command higher rents and fill vacancies faster. And let's not forget asset longevity. Regular maintenance extends the lifespan of major systems like roofing and plumbing, maximizing your return on investment. So how do you implement this proactive approach? Start by identifying key maintenance areas. Think HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and roofing. Focus on systems that, if they fail, would hit you hard in the wallet. Next, create a preventive maintenance schedule. Develop a calendar outlining regular inspections and servicing. For instance, schedule semi-annual HVAC checkups to keep things running smoothly. Finally, use maintenance tracking tools. Property management software can help you track requests, schedules, and expenses, keeping you organized and on top of things. Here's a quick example. Set up a preventive maintenance program for HVAC systems. Schedule semi-annual inspections, filter replacements, and cleanings. This keeps your systems energy efficient and ensures tenant comfort, especially during those extreme weather days. So there you have it. Proactive maintenance is your ticket to apartment investing success. Start planning today and watch your investments thrive. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.